Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update flow. First, verify your Windows 11 build and settings so you know compatibility. This matters because some apps require specific builds. Once done, sign in as an administrator and close running programs to prevent conflicts. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery or is plugged into power, and use stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now open Microsoft Store or the Apps Updater, and we'll proceed to fetch available updates. You'll now run the actual download and install steps. This is where progress matters. In Microsoft Store, go to Library and choose Get Updates to refresh available patches, then click Update or Update Also dependencies install in order. For legacy or non-store apps, launch the app's built-in updater or download the latest installer and run it with the same install path. This preserves settings. While updating, monitor progress and avoid interrupting power or network. If prompted, accept required permissions to complete installation. You're finishing up. Restart Windows if any installers request it, because many updates finalize only after reboot. After reboot, open the app and confirm the new version from About or Help. This verifies success. If an update fails, first clear the Microsoft Store cache with WS Reset, EXE for store apps, or uninstall and reinstall the app while keeping user data if possible. Finally, check Event Viewer or the app's log files for error codes. Make note of them before contacting vendor support so you can resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.